Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I made these clays last week. I made a bigger version and a smaller version. We're not doing a clay tutorial, this is actually going to be a hair bow tutorial. So I'm making a hair bow tutorial using one of these clays. I think I'm going to go for the smaller one because these bigger clays tend to look better on bigger sort of ribbon style bows, unless you make a really big glitter bow, but I tend to make around sort of up to 4.5 inch in glitter style bows. So I think I'm going to use the smaller witch. I'm using this template here, which is from Bow Templates UK. This bottom purple stripe fabric is also from Bow Templates UK. These two black glitters here, I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. These were both from Nicola's Craft Shop, and this purple glitter and this tulle here was from AliExpress. Everything that I do use I will link in the description below. But like I said, I'm not sure what I'm going to use yet because I'm kind of making this bow up as I go along, and I just thought I would come on here and record it to show you guys how it's made. So here we go. And there is your finished hair bow. As you could see in the video, I changed my mind last minute and I decided that once I added this detailing here with the web ribbon, I thought it would look really nice on the centre of this little bow here, just to tie it all together. Sometimes this is what you have to do when you make a bow. You just have to get all the materials out and just kind of go for it, because when you plan something in your head, you can never quite picture what it's going to come out like until you try. If you've got any questions, you can pop them into the comments below. If you liked this video, please press the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you press the bell button, that will turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.